Hello there, Jesper Nobel here at my playground, also known as the Nordic showroom of Roland DG. My new toy has arrived. This is the brand new VG4, the little sister to the awesome XG640 that we released last year. And today, you and I are unboxing this together with these guys. My colleague Jesper Brewer, Jan from Rico DK, and Johan from Folia SE. So yeah, get ready for some serious printer ASMR.
That's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Printer is built, now it's time to load it up with some inks.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
We're getting close now, just a few final adjustments. And be aware, muffins not included.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
And we are done. One word. Wow! Look at that print quality. That is 1800 dpi. And check out those colors. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and light black for supporting gray areas, boosted by red, green, and orange. Banging out this vibrant print. And speaking of colors, that blue color, that hits hard. I might need to get myself something like a matching t-shirt or a hoodie so I can really rock the VG4 vibe. Thanks for watching and unboxing with me today.